In lesson 14, we are going to learn how to add a zero in order to subtract, which is going to help us to be able to set up our equation. So we'll start with our first equation. 2x minus star equals 12. So we're going to start setting this up. 2x's minus a star. Well, I don't have a star to remove or to subtract, so we're going to have to apply a legal move of adding a zero, which will then allow us to subtract a star. So I'm going to add a convenient zero, or a hero zero as I like to refer it to, and now I'll be able to subtract a star. Equals 12, so on the other side I'm going to place 12, and now we are presented with a very simple equation to solve. So we have 3x's equals 12, so x is going to equal 4, and when we check this, we're going to have 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, and 12 equals 12. All right, let's go ahead and reset, and let's try a second equation. So for this one, we have 2x minus 3x's. Well, I do not have 3x's that I can subtract. So again, I'm going to use my legal move of adding a zero so that I will be able to subtract 3x's. So my convenient zero, my hero zero. Now I can remove 3x's equals 10 plus x. And so now I can solve this. So now I'm going to think back to my legal moves of how I would solve this. So I'm going to add a convenient zero, or hero zero, to the left side. That allows me to be able to remove a blue pawn from both sides, and I am left with 2 star equals 10. So that tells us that star is going to be equal to 5. If star is equal to 5, then x is equal to negative 5. I'm going to go ahead and set my equation back up. 2x's minus 3x's equals 10 plus x. And so on the left-hand side we have 5, and on the right-hand side we have 10 plus negative 5, which equals 5, and 5 equals 5, so this equation checks out. And let's try one more before you're ready to try some on your own. So we'll go ahead and reset, and we'll go ahead and try to set up this equation. All right, so we're going to start with an x, and then it says that we need to subtract 3 stars. Well, I do not have any stars, so that tells me that I'm going to have to add 3 convenient zeros. And now I'll be able to remove 3 stars. And then a value of 2 equals 8 minus 2 x's. Well, I don't have 2 x's, so I'll have to add 2 convenient zeros on this side, and now I can subtract 2 x's. All right, so here's my simplified setup. So now I'm going to think about what I need to do. So there's 2 things that we need to do. We need to get our value cubes to stand alone and only have value cubes on one side. And then we also need to do some simplifying by adding zeros in order to simplify our equation. So we're going to start with the value cubes because we learned in lesson 13 that can help us. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. 2 minus 2 would be 0, and 8 minus 2 would be 6. So now I'm left with this. And now in order to solve, I'm trying to get my value cube to stand alone. So I need to be able to remove these white pawns. So to do that, I'm going to add 2 hero zeros to the left side. Another convenient 0. And now I can complete a legal move. And another legal move. And now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X equals 6. So that tells us that x is going to be equal to 1. Therefore, star is going to be equal to -1. All right, we're going to set up our equation and reset. So we had x minus 3x, or 3 star, plus 2. And then over here, we have 8 minus 2 x's. All right, so we'll go ahead. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And over here we have 4 plus -1 plus -1, which would be 6. And 6 equals 6, so this equation checks out. So in lesson 4 on your own, you're going to need to add a 0 when you're setting up your equations before you can begin to solve them.